A.
Piss take.
Production.
G'day Suzuki riders. If you've been following this bike build, today is your lucky day. Now, with all the new bikes coming out, put your hands up if you still own the most mightiest of mighty bikes in the world, the Suzuki DRZ or DRZ, depends how you say it. This is the goat of all motorcycles, and recently JNS Engineering have offered a new product and I couldn't help myself, and we're going to take off the stock plastic chain guard and put on this fancy JNS aluminium CNC powder coated version. Now, JNS Engineering, you would have seen from previous episodes that they make a really cool front fender brace. This one here. Now, traditionally, I like to add the same brand products to the bike to be consistent through a bike build. And here you go. So as soon as this popped up on my radar, I had to make a video. So let's go ahead and remove the stock OEM Suzuki guard, this one here. And that's just the two screws. And we'll go ahead. So I'm just going to I'll throw this camera on the tripod. Now, like most of these mods, it's generally a 5-minute job. You'll need a JIS, Japanese Industry Standard bit to remove these two screws. Let's have a quick look. This is the chain guard. That's going to look great. Comes with two Allen key screws and two washers and a sticker. And I will put Loctite on each of these two screw bolts because you don't want this thing falling off when you're out in the bush. Might be, okay, so washer. I think it's a 4mm Allen key to put this on. Let's get the back on. This looks awesome, actually. It's probably the best looking chain guard around. Yep, 4mm, and we just do it up hand tight. It's pretty solid, powder coated in black, cut out with DRZ. Now that's the OEM version and new and improved. Let's have a closer look. Now that wraps up the installation of the chain guard. Thanks for watching.
Stay gold, pony